Hi, this website is created for the Digital Marketing Tools course at the Hague University of Applied Sciences by Daniel van der Kleij. This company is not related to any entity business. So welcome to CharredSteakhouse, the company that I created. It's a restaurant. I'm going to walk you through our company website. For now we have a toolbar which has dinner, our menu with dinner, drinks, separate lists that we have with wine list, a cocktail list, and also beers and non-alcoholic drinks. We have a page about our company, our story, and about our employees, our most valuable employees. A contact form which you can find our address, our location on a map, um, and we have a maker reservations. So on this page you can obviously make reservations, and eventually you want to also add a blog after we have opened with positive company reviews, reviews from our customers, and pictures from our dishes and etc. So walking through our main homepage, for now we have cropped everything on our homepage until our toolbar is ready. So we have a small word about our from our company with a direct button to go to our menu. A small part of our story with a few pictures of our restaurant and of one of the dishes that we have. Another button to discover our menu. I'm actually going to take you to it right now, which shows our different starters, our mains, and also our desserts. Oh, let's go back. So you can also book a table on this page with a form with all the different times slots that we have to book a table. And finally, we have here another form with our email address, our number, our location as well, and our opening hours. So this was my website. Thank you for your time.